back to the course. In our previous lecture, we discussed the various promotions and advertising strategies that businesses use to communicate with the customers. Today, we'll focus on the essential role of consumer research and analysis in understanding consumer behavior and developing effective marketing strategies. Consumer research is a systematic collection and analysis of data about consumers and their buying habits. It is a vital tool for businesses to gain insights into the target audience's needs, preferences, motivations, and decision-making process. This knowledge empowers businesses to make informed decisions about product development, marketing strategies, and customer service. The consumer research process typically involves several steps. Defining research objectives, clearly identifying the questions that need to be answered through research. This might involve understanding consumer preferences for a new product, evaluating the effectiveness of marketing campaign, or identifying new market opportunities. Developing a research plan, determining the most appropriate research method, sampling techniques, and data collection tools to achieve the research objective. This might involve surveys, focus groups, interviews, observations, or experiments. Collecting data, gathering data from the target audience using the chosen research method. This might involve online surveys, in-person interviews, focus group discussions, or observing consumers in their natural environment. Analyzing data, processing and interpreting the collected data to identify patterns, trends, and insights. This might involve using statistical analysis, qualitative coding, or other data analysis techniques. Drawing conclusions and making recommendations. Summarizing the key findings and drawing actionable conclusions that can inform marketing strategies and decision making. This might involve recommending changes to product features, pricing, promotion, or distribution. There are two main types of consumer research. Primary research. This involves collecting original data directly from consumers. It can be time-consuming and expensive, but it provides valuable insights that are specific to the business's needs. Secondary research. This involves analyzing existing data that has been collected by other sources, such as market research firms, government agencies, or industry publications. It's a more cost-effective option, but it may not be as tailored to the business's specific needs. Consumer research data can be analyzed in various ways to extract meaningful insight. This can involve quantitative analysis, which focuses on the numerical data and statistical relationships, or qualitative analysis, which focuses on understanding the underlying motivations and meanings behind consumer behavior. The insights gained from consumer research can be used to inform a wide range of marketing decisions, such as product development, identifying customer needs and preferences to create products and services that meet their expectations. Pricing, understanding consumer price sensitivity and willingness to pay to optimize pricing strategies. Promotion, developing targeted marketing messages and campaigns that resonate with the target audience. Distribution, choosing the most effective channels to reach and engage consumers. Customer service, identifying areas for improvement in customer service to enhance the overall customer experience. In our next lecture, we'll conclude our course with final notes and encouragement, summarizing the key takeaways from our exploration of consumer behavior and providing guidance for applying this knowledge in your personal and professional life.